Children, another type of questions also you can expect from this chapter. That is, an element contains 29 electrons and 35 electrons. Deduce the number of protons and electronic configuration of the element. So, the element which contains 29 electrons, which indicating we know its atomic number. Any element which having 29 electrons resemblance its atomic number is 29 and number of protons also 29. Number of protons equal to number of electron. That is 29. This is the atomic number of an atom. So, children, you should be careful in the such questions. Why? Because there are two elements in the periodic table show some anomalous electronic configuration. For example, copper with atomic number 29, chromium with atomic number 24. They will show a special type of electronic configuration. We know there is an order for arranging electrons in an atom, that is electronic configuration. But in the case of copper and chromium, if you check its configuration, you can see for example, copper, it is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, it is 4s1, not 4s2. It is 4s1, 3d10. Why? Because 3d10, if it is 4s2, 3d9, it is little bit unstable. We know in d subshell it can carry maximum 10 electrons. So it is a maximum number. If it is having completely filled orbitals, then the atom will be highly stable. So for the stability, the electrons were rearranged in the atom of copper like this manner. So copper atoms are highly stable. So the electronic configuration of copper having slight difference from other elements, that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1 and 3d10. Similarly, chromium. Chromium also show this property. Its configuration, last shell configuration is 4s1, 3d5. Argon 4s1, 3d5. So this 5 indicating the partially filled d orbitals. If an atom having completely filled orbitals and partially filled orbitals, we can say that the atom is highly stable. So this electronic configuration should be take care in the case of copper and chromium. And another important type of question is drawing the Lewis dot structure. I hope you know how to draw the Lewis structure. For the Lewis structure, we should write the electronic configuration first. So, magnesium 12, 282. We should draw only the valence electron. So, magnesium 2. Like this manner you can draw, or cross like indication you can give. Similarly, you can do with any other atom or any other compound. We are clearly discussed about the Lewis symbols. And another important type of questions from the chapter 5, 5th chapter, the geometry of different molecules. If number of electron pair is 2, its linear structure, for example, the shape will be linear, like AB2 type. For example, carbon dioxide, beryllium fluoride, etc. If number of lone pairs are 3, its shape is trigonal planar. This will be the structure. So the bond in the linear shape, the bond angle is 180 degree. In trigonal planar is 119.3 degree. Examples SO2BF3. If 4, then tetrahedral. Ammonia is one of the example, and one bond angle is 106.7 degree. These are the examples. Trigonal bipyramidal, PCl5, PF5 all will show the trigonal by pyramidal geometry. Bond angle is 120 degree. Octahedral is SF6, HCF6 are showing octahedral. So you should study um, each geometry and shape of the molecule and some of the examples. This is also very important. In your textbook there is a complete column regarding this. So study it very well. You can expect a lot of questions from the shape of the molecule, geometry, examples, etc. And another important questions are regarding Le Chatelier principle. That is, if any in the redox reaction, if there is any change in the equilibrium, we can change the equilibrium position by changing the concentration, temperature, pressure, uh, adding of our catalyst, etc. So, how this will affect an equilibrium explained by Le Chatelier. So, these principles are very important. Based on that, we can expect the questions for examination. And characteristic properties of hydrogen and its reactions are very important. Similarly, properties of alkali metals, alkaline earth metals, p block elements. In p block elements, nitrogen family and carbon family. These are really important. So these are the important questions you can expect for your examination point of view. So children, study well, prepare well, all the best for your examination. Thank you.